What if I told you that next year, Apple might drop the iPhone right at the same time Samsung launches its next Galaxy flagship? That's the shakeup we could be looking at, and it's not just a small change. It could completely alter how we see phone launches. According to reports from German wireless carriers, Apple is considering splitting its iPhone release schedule into two parts. That means the standard iPhone 18 could arrive in the spring, right alongside Samsung's Galaxy S26. Then, the iPhone 18 Pro would keep its usual fall launch date. This is a big departure from the tradition of releasing all iPhones together in September. Apple reportedly plans to stop making the Plus models, which could be replaced by a new Air version or an iPhone 1AE. If that's the case, the Air might stick with the Pro in the fall, while the standard model and possibly the iPhone 18e arrive in the spring. That would mean the iPhone 18 would be launched just 6 months after the iPhone 17 series, which is almost unheard of for Apple. And yes, it could make the iPhone 17 base models less appealing to buyers who know a newer model is just around the corner. So why would Apple do this? One guess is that they want to take away some attention from Samsung's annual Galaxy S series launch. Imagine both companies unveiling their latest flagship devices at the same time. Tech headlines would be flooded with comparisons. But realistically, people who are set on buying a Samsung aren't likely to switch because a new iPhone came out, and the same goes the other way around. There's another twist to this story. 2026 could also be the year Apple finally launches its foldable iPhone. Reports suggest that this foldable model will release alongside the iPhone 18 Pro in the fall, not in summer when Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 8 will arrive. This could be part of Apple's marketing plan to keep all its biggest releases tied to its own schedule, rather than directly matching Samsung's foldable timeline. If this new schedule actually happens, Apple fans would have to major iPhone events every year instead of one. Spring for the standard model, fall for the Pro and foldable models. And here's where things get interesting. Apple could be counting on its most loyal fans to buy the base model in the spring and then upgrade again to the Pro in the fall. That means some customers could be getting a new iPhone every 6 months. Of course, this is risky. It might cause confusion, lead to shorter product lifespans, and possibly reduce sales for certain models, but it could also mean Apple gets more attention throughout the year instead of just during the fall launch window. For tech fans, it would definitely make things more exciting with back-to-back heavyweight releases from both Apple and Samsung. If all of this plays out, 2026 could be the year we see iPhone 18 and Galaxy S26 go head-to-head in spring, followed by the iPhone 18 Pro, foldable iPhone, and Samsung's foldables in the second half of the year. That's a lot of flagship action packed into 12 months. So what do you think? Should Apple really change its schedule and go up against Samsung twice a year, or stick to what's been working for over a decade? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this update, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward tech news without the extra fluff.